Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making a spinach egg omelet mixed in with some masalas to start off your day. Spinach egg omelet is a classic. So delicious, healthy, and easy to put together, makes for a wonderful breakfast. Let's get started making this spinach egg omelet. Let's get into the ingredients. 2 eggs, 1 cup shredded spinach, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of diced tomatoes, 1/3 cup of diced red onions, 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. On medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Spread out the oil in the pan. Next, add minced garlic, tomatoes, red onion, mix in thoroughly. Cover on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Add a half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix in thoroughly. Cover for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add spinach, cover for 1 to 2 minutes. While the spinach is cooking, mix together 2 eggs. Set the filling in the middle of the pan and level it out. Pour the eggs on top of the filling. Add a half a teaspoon of parsley, shredded Parmesan cheese, Once the omelet is fully cooked, fold up the omelet sides. Let's plate this super healthy and delicious breakfast. I hope you enjoyed this video. This spinach egg omelet with a hint of spice is fantastic. Give this a try and let me know in the comments below or tag me on Instagram. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for my upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video.